everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'll be starting a new cooking series. Don't forget to like and hit that bell. These are the ingredients that I'll be using today. New baby potatoes. If you want, you can use big potatoes. 2 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Firstly, when cutting your potatoes, cut them evenly. Find the smallest potato and cut them to that size. If you're using bigger potatoes, cut them into half quarters or maybe quarters. Now that you've finished cutting your potatoes, put them onto a medium to high boil until they are soft. While the potatoes are boiling, go ahead and make the mayonnaise mixture. Which is half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a pinch of salt and pepper, 2 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise depending on taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, After you have made the mixture, check the potatoes, and the easy way of checking the potatoes is to get a butter knife and gently push it through the potatoes to see if they are cooked. If they are cooked, remove from heat and drain them, and if not, leave on for another minute. Once they have cooled, put them into the bowl and mix the mayonnaise mixture until they are evenly covered. And there you have it, a delicious and light potato salad. This potato salad goes really well with anything, but my favourite is chicken skewers. If you would like to make those chicken skewers at home, click on the link below. Go ahead and watch my tutorial on how to make them. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell to get more cooking videos. And don't forget to give me any suggestions on what to cook next.